Hello guys, I am Amit Sarkar, lecturer of geography at Govardhan Hindu College. Today I am going to show you some basic function and practices of statistics in Microsoft Excel. Students often face such problem when they think to start and they think to practice statistics in Microsoft Excel. The problems are how to calculate total value, how to calculate and identify maximum value, minimum value, the number of data, and how to calculate coefficient of variation and how to calculate standard deviation. I further like to mention that there is two ways by which you can calculate and identify the standard deviation. The two methods are being shown in this video. So I like to say that this video will certainly help you to solve your problem. So be with me. Firstly, I am going to open Excel. You can see the table which shows the data, that is particle density and bulk density, and I have created another table. I like to calculate the sum. You have to provide is equal to, type sum, and then select all the parameter and all the data. After selecting all the data, press enter. That I like to calculate the count. This means how many data are there. Type count. For this purpose, in the same way, you have to select the all the data, then press enter. I am going to calculate the average or mean value. Type average. Here I am going firstly select the total value, then input divide. I have select I then I am going to select the count. Enter, which gives you the average or mean value. Now I am going to calculate the standard deviation. This is the shortest method by which you can able to calculate the standard deviation. For this purpose, you have to type is equal to, then type stdab and select p. Then you need to select all the data. After selection of all data, just press enter. Value will be calculated very easily. I'm going to show you the actual and lengthy method. This is the actual scientific and actual method when we are going to calculate standard deviation. You have to calculate firstly mean value, then deviation from mean, that is mean deviation. You know what standard deviation is? The root mean square deviation from the mean. That's why I am going to calculate the mean deviation. Then to avoid or to discard and to reject the negative value, you have to multiply the mean deviation value x square. Here I am going to calculate the total number of sum value, that is total number of data, then divide. Going to calculate the mean value. You know the how to calculate the mean value earlier. This is the total number of value, that is summation, and this is the count. You know how to calculate the count and how to calculate the sum. And here now I am going to calculate the average or mean value. You need to type average, then select the first option, and after that select total number of data, then count and press enter. We get the mean value here, and now type the mean value and draw the cursor downwards until the last data. Time to calculate the mean deviation. For this purpose, you have to select mean value first, then press minus, then select the actual data, and you will get the mean deviation. After calculation, you need to press downwards the cursor until the next data to imply this function for all data. And for x squared, you need to multiply the mean deviation value twice. Firstly select the mean deviation value, then press into, and then again select mean deviation value. That is the answer. And in the same way, press the cursor downwards until the last data. Now it's time to calculate summation of the x square. Type sum, then select all the data of x square and press enter. Calculation of summation of mean of x square. Then you need to calculate mean or average from this data. First, in the same way, type average, then select all the data, all the x squared data, and divide it by count value. And lastly, our last task is to calculate the standard deviation value. For this purpose, simply simply type is equal to, then type SQRT, that is square root, then select the average value of x square and press enter. That is the standard deviation value. You can check this value with the previous calculated value. Here we can see that the two values are same, that is 0.233. Time to calculate coefficient of variation data. For you know what coefficient variation, to how to calculate the coefficient of variation, you need to select the standard deviation, then divide it by mean value, and then multiply it by 100. For this purpose, select is equal to, then select standard deviation, then press divide from keyboard, then select average, then press multiply from the keyboard, and then press 100 and then enter. Simply the value will be calculated.